Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I will unboxing one of the things that I bought on Amazon during the Black Friday sale. So this is that I bought. That's pretty much like the shoes from Colombia. So it's pretty fast though, so I ordered it on yesterday and it's already coming today, so it's only like 1 day delivery. So let's open it. It's pretty tight though. There's one there. Colombia. So this kind of like waterproof, breathable guarantee. So this does shoes especially for the winter or for the fall. It's because it will be cold. It also can use for hiking. So let's check. Ooh. Alright, here it is. Oh, look great actually. So I choose like the gray and the green colors with a little bit like orange. This look nice, so didn't expect that the delivery will be that fast. It's because I just ordered it yesterday and it's already coming today. And of course today it is like a Black Friday sale, so it's much cheaper than the regular price. So I bought this one like $48. Usually they sell it like more than $80. Especially this shoes can be used for hiking, and also this is like waterproof shoes but still like breathable, so it's not gonna be hot inside. I hope, based on the review, is really good shoes, and I kind of like the style though. It's not like a boot that I use to think of. It's because like usually for the hiking and also for the waterproof shoes, they're more like a boot, but this one is more like casual shoes. You can use it like in daily basis as well, but it's still gonna help you during the winters because it will be cold and will be like wet. So by using these shoes is really good things to do. And also like it's because it's supposed to be like hiking shoes, so the underneath is anti-slippery, so it's pretty much will help you while doing the hiking. So I choose like this color is because they have like 3 colors there. Like they have the blue one as well, and also the black one, and also the gray with the green and orange a little bit over here and here. So I think this one is pretty much prettier, although I love the blue one actually. However, the blue one is $10 more expensive. So okay, so I just thought I just bought this one. Anyway, so I'm going to try the shoes. Hopefully it fits perfectly. I already have like here. I hope it will be perfect. It's because like I don't want to like ship it again to Amazon and waiting again, although it's very fast delivery. So yeah, pretty much I just want to use it one time. All right. It's kind of cool though. Alright. It's because sometimes like some of the shoes is not really perfect, because like it's hard to find the right shoes, especially about the size. It's because like the size sometimes it doesn't really say. Like usually I use number 8 for the shoes, but here I order like a 45 just in case like it will be much smaller. It's because sometimes like the shoes for the hiking, usually they have like a little bit smaller than the regular shoes, so I have to make sure that it's perfect fit to my feet. And I feel like what did she say? It's because like the shoes for hiking, this must be perfectly fit in order to your feet will be not get some thing bad. Oh wow. So I'm gonna show you. So I'm already using it. So far it's fit perfectly. See? I like this style though. So they look very nice. These kind of shoes that I like. You know, they have like this. It's perfect. See? I love it. I think I take the right size or the right color. Look nice. Alright, I think that's all. So actually I ordered one more shoes, but that one it will be delivered like late. It's because like it will be imported from China. I don't know why it's taking so long for that. However, it's also like cheaper than this one, like 38 something. So it's because like it's a Black Friday, they're taking more time to deliver it, especially when it's imported from other countries. Anyway, thank you for watching this video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.